Let's check the news from AWS. AWS has launched a new monitoring dashboard in the AWS Network Firewall console, enabling customers to monitor their network traffic with greater visibility. This feature provides valuable insights into network activities, allowing for more effective management and troubleshooting of firewall configurations. The new dashboard offers detailed information on traffic patterns, including top traffic flows, TLS server name indication, and HTTP host headers. This level of detail enables customers to quickly identify and analyze their most significant network interactions. Additionally, the dashboard provides visibility into long-lived TCP flows and traffic flows where TCP handshake failed, which is particularly useful for troubleshooting network issues and identifying potential security concerns. The new monitoring dashboard is available in all AWS regions where AWS Network Firewall is supported. To take advantage of this feature, customers need to configure flow logs and alert logs in their AWS Network Firewall and enable the monitoring dashboard. For more information on how to set up and use the new monitoring dashboard, please visit the AWS Network Firewall documentation or log into the AWS Management Console. ENA Express now supports 120 new EC2 instances, including network-optimized, storage, high memory, and accelerated computing instances. This launch adds support for 35 network-optimized instances, which are great for file systems and media encoding workloads that require higher single-flow bandwidth and consistent tail latency. Additionally, ENA Express has introduced support for 6 storage instances, which improve performance for large object transactions to and from databases. Furthermore, the feature now supports 7 high-memory instances, ideal for in-memory database transactions like SAP HANA, where single-flow performance is crucial. Lastly, ENA Express also supports 5 accelerated computing instances, providing better single-flow performance for file system access to services like FSx Lustre. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL introduces extended support minor versions 11.22, RDS.20250508 and 12.22, RDS.20250508, which include important security updates and bug fixes for PostgreSQL databases. These latest versions are crucial to maintain optimal security and performance of your PostgreSQL deployments, and we recommend upgrading your RDS instances to these versions as soon as possible. Amazon RDS Extended Support provides up to 3 years of additional time to upgrade to a new major version, helping you meet your business requirements. During this period, Amazon RDS will provide critical security and bug fixes for your RDS for PostgreSQL databases after the community ends support for a major version. With extended support, you can run your PostgreSQL databases on Amazon RDS for up to 3 years beyond the major version's end of standard support date, ensuring continued access to important security updates and bug fixes. Amazon EKS Add-ons now supports Private CA Connector for Kubernetes, which allows customers to easily issue certificates from AWS Private Certificate Authority to their Kubernetes clusters running on Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service. This integration enables customers to use AWS Private CA certificates for transport layer security termination at load balancers, Kubernetes ingress controllers, and pods, as well as securing pod-to-pod communication. The Private CA Connector for Kubernetes is an add-on that installs and manages the connector, simplifying the process of setting up new and existing clusters using automation to leverage AWS Private CA certificates. This enhancement in security and certificate management reduces the time and effort required to configure private certificates, eliminating the need for manual steps that could take hours or days. The Private CA Connector for Kubernetes works in conjunction with Cert Manager, an open-source certificate lifecycle management Kubernetes add-on, providing a comprehensive solution for certificate issuance and management within Kubernetes environments. The connector is available through the Amazon EKS Add-ons catalog, which offers curated extensions that automate the installation, configuration, and lifecycle management of operational software for Kubernetes clusters. The Private CA Connector for Kubernetes is now available in all commercial AWS regions, enabling customers to take advantage of this new integration and enhance the security of their Kubernetes environments. To get started with the Amazon EKS Add-ons user guide, customers can refer to the provided resources. Amazon EC2 C7a instances are now available in the AWS Europe region. These compute-optimized instances are powered by 4th-gen AMD EPYC processors with a maximum frequency of 3.7 GHz, offering up to 50% higher performance compared to C6a instances. C7a instances provide new processor capabilities such as AVX 512, VNNI, and Float 16, which enable high-speed access to data in memory through double data rate 5 memory. This results in 2.25x more memory bandwidth compared to C6a instances, making these instances ideal for even latency-sensitive workloads. The new instances come in 12 sizes, ranging from medium to 48s large, including a bare metal size. Additionally, customers can attach up to 128 EBS volumes to an EC2 instance, a significant increase from the maximum of 28 EBS volume attachments allowed on C6a instances. C7a instances are built on the AWS Nitro system and are designed for high-performance, compute-intensive workloads such as batch processing, distributed analytics, high-performance computing, ad serving, highly scalable multiplayer gaming, and video encoding. They are available through on-demand, spot instances, and savings plans. AWS Resource Groups now supports AWS Private Link, enabling users to invoke resource group APIs from within their Amazon Virtual Private Cloud without traversing the public internet. This development allows for more secure and private interactions with resource groups, which are used to model, manage, and automate tasks on large numbers of AWS resources by using tags to logically group these resources. By supporting AWS Private Link, users can create logical collections of resources such as applications, projects, and cost centers, and manage them based on dimensions like cost, performance, and compliance in services like My Applications, AWS Systems Manager, and Amazon CloudWatch. This support is available in all AWS regions where resource groups are available. Amazon Lex has extended its custom vocabulary support to multiple languages, including Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Catalan, French, German, and Spanish locales. Amazon Lex now enables you to improve speech recognition accuracy for domain-specific terminology, proper nouns, and rare words across a wider range of languages. This enhancement is particularly useful for providing natural and accurate conversational experiences, even when the spoken audio might be ambiguous. For instance, with custom vocabulary, you can ensure technical terms like cognito or industry-specific vocabulary like solvency are correctly transcribed during bot interactions. This feature also improves slot value elicitation by providing consistent speech recognition capabilities for intent recognition and improved transcription accuracy. Amazon Lex's custom vocabulary support is now available in all AWS regions where the service operates for the supported languages. Amazon EC2 M7G instances are now available in the AWS GovCloud region. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 3 processors that provide up to 25% better compute performance compared to AWS Graviton 2 processors, and built on top of the AWS Nitro system. This system delivers efficient, flexible, and secure cloud services with isolated multi-tenancy, private networking, and fast local storage. Amazon EC2 M7G instances also use up to 60% less energy to reduce your cloud carbon footprint for the same performance than comparable EC2 instances. They are available in 9 different instance sizes, including bare metal, offering increased scalability. These instances provide high-speed networking capabilities with up to 30 gigabits per second bandwidth and up to 20 gigabits per second of bandwidth to the Amazon Elastic Block Store. Amazon Redshift now supports increased concurrency for vacuum operations. This enhancement enables multiple vacuum operations to run simultaneously across different tables and data warehouses, reducing maintenance time and improving resource utilization. Concurrent vacuum operations allow for the sorting of table data and reclamation of disk space from deleted rows to occur more efficiently. This is achieved by automatically managing vacuum operations at a higher concurrency level. In addition, manual vacuum operations can now be run concurrently on different tables across sessions, further streamlining maintenance tasks. This feature also extends support for running automatic and manual vacuum operations simultaneously across various vacuum modes. The increased concurrency for vacuum operations in Amazon Redshift reduces the maintenance time required to keep data warehouses optimized, ultimately solving a key operational challenge for database administrators. AWS Resource Groups now supports IPv6, enabling you to model, manage, and automate tasks on large numbers of AWS resources by using tags to logically group your resources. With this update, you can create logical collections of resources such as applications, projects, and cost centers, and manage them on dimensions such as cost, performance, and compliance in AWS services like My Applications, AWS Systems Manager, and Amazon CloudWatch. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.